Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you are all well. Today I will show you a very important tutorial for you as you are watching on the screen that about the speed up your Microsoft Windows 11 or 10 as well. Microsoft is continuously improving Windows 11's performance and making minor enhancements to Windows 10 as well. But not a lot of users think that's enough. So the company is now working on a new app called PC Manager to help speed up the performance of Windows 11 or 10. Initially launched for the Chinese PC market, the tool aims to quickly improve performance and disable programs affecting your PC's health and usage. So if you want to learn how to install and use Microsoft PC Manager, you have come to the right place. In this guide, we will take you through the steps to download Microsoft PC Manager along with my initial impression about the using of these apps. So let's check it out. Before starting the procedure or tutorial, I am requesting all of my viewers, for those who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if already subscribed, thanks a lot. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. Dear viewers, you have to now install at first the Microsoft PC Manager from a web browser. Now I am opening the Chrome browser, and I am opening the Chrome browser, a new tab. Now we have to write down the search bar Microsoft. You have to now write down before before starting the procedure. You have to check out, you have to check it out whether your if you are using a Windows 10 user, then you have to check out your version number. I mean version uh, number. What is your version number? Now I will check in front of you what is my version number, as I am using Windows 10. So click the search icon and write down system here. Hit the click and system. Yes, this is the version of my laptop. I mean Windows version, Windows 10 and 1944. Yes, I'm compatible about using my Microsoft PC Manager. You have to also check your version of your Windows, whether if you are capable or not. Remind it, your Windows 10 must be above the 1809 version. Let's check it out. Now I am opening the Chrome browser for downloading these apps from Microsoft. Now I am opening. I have opened. Now I am ready to write. Ready to write the pcmanager.microsoft.com. pcmanager dot microsoft.com. Hit the enter. You have to remember that you have to write here pcmanager.microsoft.com like me. Hit the enter button and you will see the final homepage of your desired apps. I mean PC Manager from the Microsoft website as well. Yes, this is the interface of the Microsoft PC Manager as you are watching on the screen. Click yes, this is the reminder again, compatible with Windows 10 1809 and above Windows 11. There is no problem of Windows 11, but compatible if you are the user of Windows 10, then you have to remind it your version will be above the 1809. So let's click the download button, and this is a very light app, just 3.88 megabyte, very light app. Open the folder. Now click the right button to for run as administrator. Give the permission. Now it's time to give the again permission about the terms and condition. Click the terms and condition, then click the install. and full system security checkup. There are various kinds of utility here. Super fast virus removal and one click speed boost. Full system security checkup again. Here you can watch the what can this software, this app do for your Windows. Installing, and yes, launch now. Click the launch now. Yes, this is the interface of the PC manager. You can see on the screen that um, at first you can see here the mm, main important utility of this app is boost. Here is the memory usage and temporary file. See, as I have cleaned a few days ago, so my temporary file is very low here, very small amount of temporary file. If you open this app for the first time and you didn't clean this temporary file more than 1 month or higher, then you can see here 2 or 2 for 5 GB temporary file has been stored on your system as well. So you have to click the boost, and that just 1 second you have to wait and clean the all temporary files. It's a magic. And memory usage 61% down to the upper, uh, as we can see here the 70% earlier memory usage. Now the memory usage also the decrease. Here you can see the uh, boost. What is the boost utility? What is the boost function? Now we can I can now this explain in front of you. Boost button, it will remove the temporary files and free up memory instantly. In my testing, it brought down 65% of memory usage to 50%, and junk files were completely removed from the system. So it is very useful for you. And basically click on boost whenever you feel your Windows PC is lagging and it should speed up things. Whenever you find time, please click on the just another matter. You have to remind that you you can see your PC manager here on the taskbar. Just this is the taskbar, and this is the my PC manager, and you can open it from this task bar by clicking one click. Yes, this is the very simple. This is very simple. And now we will go to the health check option under the boost option. Apart from the performance boost, you also get a health check feature to find potential issues on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. It looks for all kinds of junk files, not only the temporary files, including Windows cache, system locks, and recent file lists. Moreover, it recommends you set Microsoft Edge as your default browser in case you are using a more resource hungry browser like Chrome. It looks like another one of Microsoft intrusive tactics to market its browser. Finally, the health checkup tool in Microsoft PC Manager also suggests programs that can be disabled during startup to improve the boot time. This is your suggestion startup. What kind of software you can disable or enable? You can fix it from here. Now we will go to the storage management. Now we will go to the under the storage management. You can perform a deep clean of your PC. You can see here on the screen. This is basically disk cleanup on Windows 11 or 10, but it's been made easily accessible via this app. This tool looks for every single disposable file and lets you remove them all immediately. From upgrade files of previous Windows installation to non-critical files of Microsoft Defender, you can remove them and free up space on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Besides that, you can find large file taking up space on your PC and make a decision to remove them. Finally, you can also find rarely used apps and uninstall them right away. There are four options here. You can customize this. Now I'm going to the process management. Yes, under the process management section, PC Manager displays apps that frequently eat up RAM while running several processes in the background. On average, around 150 processes run on Windows 11 with no active apps. If you have a large number of processes running on your PC, you need to use these two and in the processes that are unnecessarily hogging the RAM. Just click Int next to an app's name to stop the process right away. Just click the int. This is the here you can see the Camtasia is running, Google Chrome is running, processing faster image viewer. If you don't want to run, then you can click the end button. Now we'll go to the last startup apps, and under the startup apps you can look, click here, you can look quickly enable or disable apps to run after every system boot. We all know startup apps are one of the most common reasons behind your PC shutdown. Every time you log into your Windows 11 or 10 system, these apps automatically launch, which makes everything slow. You need to wait at least 2 or 3 minutes before you can get started as well. So the best thing is to disable unnecessary startup apps during the booting time. And here is the security option under the two section. One section is cleanup and another section is security. There is also security tab under Microsoft PC Manager. Here you can quickly scan your PC for threats and malware. It seems like MSRT, I mean Microsoft Safety Scanner, has been integrated into PC Manager for easy access. Under Windows Update, you can find the latest feature and quality updates. This is the Windows Update, quality updates, along with driver updates. You can select which updates you want to install on your PC. Now it's time for saying goodbye. Before saying the goodbye, now I have come to a conclusion, which I'm going to tell you. Microsoft PC Manager streamlines and houses all the essential settings under one app, which can be used by general user to quickly improve performance by quelling offensive apps, from freeing up disk space to disabling unnecessary startup apps, ending programs with high RAM usage, enabling browser protection, etc. It seems like PC Manager is a potential maintenance app for all the Windows users. So thank you, goodbye all. Before saying goodbye, I am requesting all of you, please subscribe my channel. If already subscribed, thanks a lot. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.loot11.com. Thanks.